doing? I'm here with CJ. My name is Harlem Mike out of Hampton, Virginia. This is the 2012 Dodge Challenger that we just finished up. We did the carbon fiber partitions in the trunk with a 15-inch woofer. We did a custom paint job with the rumble stripe from the old 70s Challenger. We two-toned the top. We did 24-inch wheels on it with a 1.5-inch custom drop. Also, the interior is done in carbon fiber as well. The hood is custom airbrushed by my guy Sketch. And like I said, we did the complete car top to bottom, a month turnaround. Give us a call if you need something, 804-742-6104. We located in Hampton, Virginia.
Yeah, word up. Word the mother.
That's it.
Here comes G-Rap with another one, y'all. We gonna swing this like this. I'm right in front of my front step, thinking of a plan, looking like Raggedy Ann, although in hand, kicking a can. Thinking of a place to pull some banking, because I'm dead and stinking. So's all my shoes winking, t-shirt is shrinking. Soon I see some thighs in my eyes, open wide, quick. Who's that with the chick? Bill blast my sidekick. What's up, black? Give his hand a smack. Then up pulls a Cadillac, yo baby, we'll be back. Jump right on the side, not too many people saw us thinking about who gotta get robbed because the mob got a job for us. They drove us down to the silver section of town where the clowns dare be paying for protection. They want us to send up message to Jimmy the bartender, lend a friend of money next year ripping off his car fenders. He's coming up short cause he snorts coke, dope, nope, and hope he don't get caught. He owes some Benjamin Franklin's, every last bit of them, but Jimmy's pockets are empty, so now we gotta get rid of them. But Jimmy's wife is with him and they don't wanna involve her. Hopped out the back seat, they gave me a revolver. Blast you, distract him, while I go and whack him. Enter through the back side of the bar and then attack him. He's screaming for his life, reaching for his wife. Shot him in the back of the head and tricked him with a knife. And that goes for anybody that gotta pay their dues. You lose, cause I got the ill street blues. You lose, cause I got the ill street blues. You lose, cause I got the ill street blues. You lose, cause I got the ill street blues. You lose, cause I got the ill street. Suckers are clobber, because my town is full of cops and robbers. You're not promised tomorrow in this little shop of horrors. So I got to get with the business and hit quick. Money grips, pockets looking thick, so I stick slick. Hold it right there, hands in the air, I know you got the loot. Or better yet, face down on the ground, empty your pockets too. Hit the deck, I got the tech right on your neck. And I expect to make a bucks to heck with a travel's tech. But if a Vic tries to joke me, I'll have to smoke him like I'm Smokey the Bear. So okie dokie, goodbye, a boy Von Yards, have a good journey. Don't even try begging for your life, that don't concern me. So to the next weasel that freezes, you're begging and your pleases only getting you closer to meeting Jesus. Yeah, I shake a schmuck just to make a buck. Then I break a duck, and if the duck gotta give up, then I don't give a fuck. Hyper as a sniper, piping niggas like a plumber. Cold thinking and sticking up the ones that run the numbers. Or even a bigger score, the lady in the liquor store. Go inside, they kicking the door. Pull her, then I'm sticking it for money or your life, honey, hurry and choose. But you lose, because I got the ill street blues. You lose, cause I got the ill street blues. You lose, cause I got the ill street blues. You lose, cause I got the ill street blues. You lose, cause I got the ill street blues. Extra, extra, read all about it in the papers. The boss tried to rape us, so we tossed him off the skyscraper. Because he brought us some other people to come and hit us, get us, but none of them did us. He must be trying to kill us, but that's dead. I'm fake, got in the red, crossed the red borders, crossed nobody can short us. We fled down the headquarters, ready to put some work. We're not a lazy crew. I do a job or two, but yo, my man can't even stick me with some crazy glue. Ready to tour and even more because he's soaring. We took out all those lookouts out the front and kicked this door in. What's up, Snake? Why'd you violate? They called him a hot sauce. Yo, that's a pick that don't fly straight. Getting ready to jab him. I grabbed him by the necktie. Homie tried to get fly and swing. I gave him a deck die. You know the evil the men do. Hell is where the men go. We snatched him by his hands and feet and threw him out the window. Up, up, up in the way, cause I don't play clown. Buck, take that with you on the way down. I'm hoping you got springs and wings on your shoes, but you lose, cause I got the ill street blues. You lose, cause I got the ill street blues. You lose, cause I got the ill street blues. You lose, cause I got the ill street blues. You lose, cause I got the ill street blues.
Going out to the hardcore hip hop. Going out to the hardcore hip hop. Of course we don't flip flop. If you don't know me by now, I doubt you'll ever know me. I never won a Grammy, I won't win a Tony, but I'm not the only MC keeping it real. When I grab the mic and smash rap, my girls go ill. Check the time as I rhyme, it's 1995 whenever I arrive. The party gets liver. Flow with the master rhymer. As I leave behind a video rapper. You know the chart climber, tapper. Down goes another rapper, on to another matter. Punch up the data, blast master. Knowledge reigns supreme over nearly everybody. Call up KRS and guaranteed to rip a party. Flat top braids, bald heads, or Nazi dread. It once was a story about a man named Jed, but now Jed is dead. All his kids instead wanna kick rhymes up the top of their head. Word, we'll go around, come around, I figure. Now we got white kids calling themselves niggas. The tables turn as the crosses burn. Remember, you must learn about the styles I flip and how wild I get. I go on like a space age rocket ship. You could be a Mac, a pimp, hustler, or player, but make sure live you is a dope rhyme sayer. MCs act like they don't know. 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 This is what you waited all year for. The hardcore, that's what KRS is here for. Big up Grand Wizard Theodore getting ill. If you see, then you saw. I'm in your grill with mad skill. MCs can only battle with rhymes that got punchlines. Let's battle and see who headlines. Instead of flow for flow, let's go show for show. Toe for toe, yo, you better act like you know. Too many MCs take that word MC lightly. They can't move a crowd, not even slightly. It might be the fact that they express whackness. Let me show you whose ass is the blackest. I flip a strip a little bit, you ride the tip and shit. Too sick to get with it and make you bit. Your style is counterfeit. Now tone it down a bit. My title, you will never get, I'm too intelligent. I send your family my sentiments. My style is toxic. When I rock it, shock it, hip hop it, unlock your head, I knock it. It's split quick from the lyric. Direct hit, perfect fit. You can't get with it. MCs act like they don't know. 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 Some MCs don't like the KRS, but they must respect them. Cause they know this kid gets all up in they rectum. Slapping and selecting them, checking them, disrespecting them, just decking them, decking them, decking them. Who in their right mind can mimic a style like mine? I design rhyme and get mine all the time. MC stand on the sidelines, always dissing. When I roll up and rush they crew, they start bitching. I don't burn, I don't freeze. Yes, some MCs believe they can tangle with the likes of these. Cross the T's and dot your I's whenever I arrive. Wide, magnified, live like the ocean tide. You dope, you lie. I reside like artifacts on the wrong side of the tracks, electrified. Coming around the mountain, you running high. Hoping your defense mechanism can divert my heat-seeking lyricism. As I spark madism, the 1996 lyrical style is what I give them. MCs act like they don't know. 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 They don't know. They don't know.
G-Mix for kings only. Right about now. G-Mix. Yeah. Snoop Dogg.
That's right.
They say you can't spell the West without the ES.
That's right.
Real kings, man.
Right.
Hey, yo, Jigga.
Right
I
now.
want you to take off on this track, man.
Okay,
Like
Snoop.
only you can. You dig what I'm saying?
Yeah. Hold up, I wanna rock right now. My name is Hov and I came to shake the town. Yeah, your boy's internationally known, but I'm from the hood, got a pocket full of stones. I used to cop raw bait, turn it into easy rock, just to stay Dougie fresh. All that the easy rock. Used to chef Raekwon, give fiends a ghost face. Y'all know my forte, I just might catch a dope case. I mastered the P with connects in the West, so I'm heavy in the D. The boys still snoop around since a pup. I've been corrupting up with the dog pound. Rock Nation is the gang now. So dope lyrics the only thing I slang now. I get the job done, I put the cane down. There's no biggie, I'm just a king now.
It's a problem, but shake it down. Good looking out, ho. And you do know that. 2010, Big Snoop Dogg at it again. Malice in Wonderland.
Luda, I wanna rock like Pookie, so here comes the new jack. Ludacris reincarnated like Tupac. Snoop roll it up, but you already knew that. Two blunts together like Luda, where they do that? We call them torpedoes, high like eagles. Take two puffs and pass, snatch it like Devo. Unk be in the Rego, Luda in the cut. Pull up with a speaker that'll make your woman shake wood. Say what? Hell yeah, I said it. If your nigga got beef, then I don't really wanna dead it. I'm too cool for school, too tough to bluff with a Gucci bandana and some jeans with a cuff. That's enough. I let these rappers have it. They don't even compare to when I put out Fat Rabbits. So while you smoking Bobby Brown and losing, we be choking on that perp, betting Whitney Houston's like. Woo!
I was a fiend before I became a teen. I melted instead of cones of ice cream. I'm orientated, that's how the West was originated. Fitted like pieces of puzzle, complicated. I dropped the sack to try to rap, yes y'all. They try to bang on me and say that I'm too small. Cool, cause I don't get upset. I call the king of the east, catch a flight, then I jet right back to the west. Where my is at, scoop the dilly, put it back on the mat. Like this, like that, while you rollin' the back, load me. Pop, pop, a hole in your back. I like the Whopper, the Big Mac. Run up on the dog, my go click, clack. And that's the show. The reason why, man, I don't know. So let's go, good. Dog chillin', looking like $1 million. Yeah, got it, I'ma leave it till my children. Tonight I'm on some up, and baby loving it. Hella fast, like an oven mitt. I'm gooped up, boy, rich as boy. Black and gold brakes, that's my truck, boy. I'm on my east side, I'm working. I got the party going, and it's jerking. My all on, we rolling out thick. Getting in, you better pick up. Cause when I shut it down, the party's over with. She call me Superman, I'm on my sofa. Boss dog, get him, I sick him and take him home. West Coast, I'm on my phone. I'm gigging on you, do them like dominoes. And slam them on their back and tell them vomit out.